Hello, I am Mihala. Today I am going to talk about a very small, colorful and migrant bird. The Indian Pitta. The Indian Pitta is a colorful stubby-tailed bird, also known as Nagarang, translated as 9 colors. Colors are most striking when the bird is in flight. It is native to the Indian subcontinent. It inhabits shrub jungles and deciduous and dense evergreen forests. It breeds in the forests of Himalayas, hills of central and western India, and migrates to the other parts peninsula in the winter. It has a distinctive 2-note whistling call, which is heard at